Step into the future of food production. Join us as we unveil the mesmerizing world of food industry machinery. Are these cutting-edge marvels poised to outshine humans in efficiency and accuracy? Don't miss out on this captivating journey. Introducing the world's premier meat cutting machine, renowned for its unparalleled performance. If you're impressed by this machine, drop a comment with one below. One seal packs it all. The Seal Pack Tray. Sealing machine is engineered to offer flexibility and efficiency, delivering quick and reliable tray sealing for over 30 different packaging applications, all in one streamlined solution. Behold the automated bread packaging line at Gunn in Norway. If you find yourself in Norway, make sure not to miss out on indulging in the delicious bread produced here. The Smart Loader efficiently loads smoked meat or sliced sausages onto the belt or baking tray, with both precision and visual appeal. The topping equipment automates the pizza making process from sauce pouring to applying toppings across single or multiple lanes. The equipment is customized to meet the specific application and production speed of each pizza manufacturer. This machine's performance is truly next level, operating flawlessly. It's almost as perfect as you. Look at this amazing peach machine, which helps in cutting and removing its skin effortlessly. Tons of grapes are pressed in this machine to produce high-quality wine, utilizing state-of-the-art technology and precision craftsmanship. The kneading process is consistently reiterated to guarantee that the dough achieves 100% uniformity and repeatability. When a single knife can't handle all the work of cutting pizza, you can rely on this system. The specialized potato packaging assembly line is exclusively crafted for our loyal channel subscribers. This machine offers a comprehensive solution for producing snack sandwiches with a thickness of up to 0.8 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Picture yourself in a factory setting, where a shipment of just-baked cookies arrives, still radiating warmth. Experience flawlessly sliced, segmented, and adorned vegetables such as celery, corn, and even bell peppers. Witness the intricate cutting process with the multi-core 4B. This could be the world's most state-of-the-art automated packaging line for bread, biscuits, and confectionery. Share your feedback about this amazing machine in the comments section. Look at its incredible working speed. It's simply unmatched.